Like this. Mix. Mix carefully. Add activator and mix. Add activator and mix. And I give color. What color do you want? Oh, pink. Yeah, okay. You too is pink alright, yes? Red. Red and pink. Color red. Okay. Mix. And you is pink, right? I give a little. Okay, mix. Oh wow, red. We need to mix first. Mix.
Before red.
Okay. Add activator and
Papa.
mix. Mix.
Papa.
Hindi kasi kami bumili ng regalo. We did not buy na lang kasi wala there. Oh.
It's
Buy
okay.
tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Oh. Wait, we need to mix first.
Mama.
Nabuhos niya. Buhos ko na pansin.
This one, Tia. Tia.
We will show you with Kuya Rico how to make
Kuya
bubble.
Papa Nani.
Look.
Look who.
Okay, spread it like this.
Okay.
We count
And 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Wow!
Okay.
Bubble!
Let's make together.
Together.
Did you see how to make bubble? We need to stretch together and count 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Activate na yung kamay.
Dagdag na. Okay.
Can I get my hand?
Activator, please.
Put this on your hand, Lala.
Please stand up, please.
And then rub it like.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's stretch together with Kuya Rico.
Hold it.
Right,
Hold. Hold it.
Hold,
Two hand, two
hold
hand.
hand. Ay, hold hand. Hold two hands.
Hold it.
Okay. Hold.
Okay,
Hold.
spread it.
One.
Papainit mo.
Wait. Ulit. One
Again,
more.
Tashi, Dani.
Okay. We need to mix more.
Ito mo na apron niya to.
Yellow.
Okay. Let's make big bubble. Okay, hold and stretch.
Hold it.